All right, this is a 56-inch Home Decorators Collection Altura ceiling fan, and this is installed in the living room of the new house that we are building. So you guys probably saw the video I did a few weeks ago of me installing all these fans, the time lapse. So anyway, I'm doing videos of all of them now, so just grab the remote right here. You're probably wondering why this fan doesn't have a light kit on it, and it's because the owners simply did not want a light kit on it. They just think that a bunch of lamps are gonna light the room up enough, but guarantee you they'll live here for a few months and then they're gonna have me come back and put a light kit on this fan. I almost guarantee it. So anyway, we'll go ahead and start the demonstration. Here's low. That's my dad's paint sprayer in the background, if you're wondering what that is, downstairs. So I probably talked about this house before in some of my previous videos. It's a very similar design to our house, and I'm not going to give too much of it away in these videos because I'm going to wait to do the full tour of it, which should be in a few weeks. I don't know. We're getting pretty close to getting done, so. They really do need a light kit on this fan. It gets dark in here when it's, dark outside. Got a nice aesthetic glow to it. Okay. Here's medium. Sorry about that noise in the background. Had to get 12-foot down rods for the 3 fans that are upstairs because of the vaulted ceilings. Just like our fans, because like I said, this is almost exactly our house. The ceiling, what do you call it? Angle, I guess. That's not the word I was thinking of, but the ceiling degree, angle degree is the same as our house, so. This is high. Blows a good breeze. All right, that's it. Hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more.